This is going to Evolution Garden, guys. So we follow this arrow. Hello guys, kumusta kayo? Yes, this is Angie and I'm going to Evolution Garden to show you the view, guys. So I'm here at the Botanic Garden, Singapore Botanic Garden. Then this is the pathway going to Evolution Garden walk area going upstairs, guys. So they are my friends. They are so noisy. So sorry guys for noise, and hope you understand what I'm saying here.
So guys, everyday Lucy. Don't worry. Lucy is very
Pasensya
noisy.
lang guys kasi maingay itong kasama ko nito pag nagbablog ako.
Ay, tara na. Wala nang gasolina ang gatsa.
This is the entrance of Evolution Garden, guys. You see the rocks. Okay, guys, I show you inside. There. Nice. Woo. Can take a sit down. Posing, guys. Welcome to the Evolution Garden, guys. There you go. There. This one. This one, the large pieces of petrified wood are displayed at the entrance of the Evolution Garden. This is it, the wood.
Hey guys, welcome to my vlog.
Then this is the Evolution Garden location map, guys. I show you. Then here you go. This one, the entrance. We're going inside, guys. So ito na guys. So pasok na tayo sa main garden, Evolution Garden. So I show you inside. There you go. Firm. There are big firm and trees. There you go, guys. Big trees. Ganda dito, guys. Ano siya. Freedom. You can do anything what you want here, guys. So, marinig niyo yung mga ano ng ibon chirping here. So relax place here. Chilling here, guys. There. So greenery. So beautiful. The nature. So amazing place, guys. This is the invasion of the land, guys. You see this one? I show you. I focus on. Wow. May squirrels dun, guys. Oh, there you go, guys. See the rocks. Nice. Oh, you see the squirrels, guys? There.
No, no, I don't see.
I focus on.
Yeah, may isa.
What? There, jump. ayan oh, pababa. Pababa dyan guys. Oh, ito yung ano, rocks.
Ay, nag-vlog dagito.
The rocks. Sure that guys. Yeah.
Asan na
This
sila?
is the Great Coal Swamps. There you go
Swang
guys.
swang. And the swang swang and the swang swang.
There you go guys. This is the rise of the ferns. Here you go guys. Wow, they are big. The ferns here, this area. Yes, all is a ferns. Wow, ang gaganda man oh. Ayan oh, pakuman yun oh, malaki siya guys doon. Yung mga ganito, di ba? Ayan oh, malalaki na pako. Makakain yan. This one guys, that one. The round thing there. This is the age of the cycads guys. I show you all this one. There you go guys. Malalaki ang bato guys. Bato is a rock.
Ang ganda, ang ganda. Ang ganda talaga dito, oh.
So stunning guys. Amazing.
Dito matapa.
There you go. Noisy the crickets.
Because the upload is Facebook, you no put long.
See, guys,
Now
yeah.
only press 4 minutes, 5 minutes. Oh my God, cut.
Oh.
Okay, now start again. Okay, is timing coming, right?
Yeah.
You need to 30 minutes.
Your mouth, your mouth, your mouth. Bakit ganito man
Hey, that's
kasi
my
ito?
mouth. I know my mouth.
Nice.
Until how many minutes?
30.
Until you want.
Then until there guys, is still area.
Hello
Very
guys, ang
wide.
ganda na.
There, rocks.
Ngayon magbablog ako eh. Palabas ko my vlog. Palabas na kami guys. Andito kami sa Baguio.
This is the first flowers area like this. There you go guys.
Oh, you will edit the video.
Ah, 30 need to stop.
Wow.
Then I can start.
Okay sir, okay sir.
We don't know this one guys. There.
Taran! Ito na kami, palabas
This
na.
is the flowering of the world. This area.
Yung dalawang vloggers nandun. Mandarin ba yan? Hindi naman ah. Mandarin daw yan. Ay, nakaw
This is
lang.
guys,
Walang bantay.
please comment down below, you know, what is this name, this fruit.
Go.
This guys.
This one.
I think here is the Keppel apple there you guys.
Ang ganda.
And also the,
Ang
I
ganda,
think
ang
Siam
ganda.
picture.
No, ang ganda. Wanda.
Dito
Forest.
ako ngayon sa daanan papuntang OFW. Punta ka doon sa Broken Heart. Ayaw ko mag-broken. Hey,
The pine savanna here guys. I think this plants here, they call savanna. Okay, so I end my video here guys, and hope you like the video today, and please hit the bottom and comment down below, and please subscribe, and thank you so much for your support, comes from my heart. Thanking you guys, and hope your Sunday is you enjoy much with your loved ones, with your family, friends, and other colleagues wherever you are. So yeah, and next time I share you my another video again. So yeah, so I end here, and God bless us everybody or everyone around the world. Okay guys, bye bye.